everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we are going to see how to make shrimp taco. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the bell button. Let's quickly jump into the recipe. To make shrimp taco platter, we'll need shrimps, onion, salsa, cabbage, spicy mayo, and tortillas. First, let's prepare our shrimp. I have taken 250 grams of shrimp, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon garlic powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder. Mix all the ingredients and let it marinate for 20 minutes. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated shrimp and cook it for 5 minutes on each side. Don't overcook it, otherwise it will become tough to chew. The shrimp is ready. Now let's move on to the next step of preparing the tortillas. To prepare the dough, I've taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or Maida, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and incorporate it into the dry mixture. Make sure to break all the lumps and mix it evenly. Add water and knead it to a smooth dough. Here I have added approximately 2 cups of water. You can make around 10 tortillas with this dough. The dough prepared should be on the softer side. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. It's time to prepare our tortillas. Take a small portion of the dough, dust it with a little bit of flour and roll it into round shape. Heat a cast iron skillet and place the dough on it. Cook until bubbly and golden on both sides. Let's move to the final step of preparing the condiments. I have washed and chopped the onions and cabbage. To prepare salsa, heat a pan and dry roast tomato, chilli, garlic, Once it's roasted well, add few coriander leaves and let it cool. Add the ingredients to a blender and add salt, cumin and pepper powder. Pulse it to form a coarse paste. Salsa is ready. Time to assemble our shrimp taco and gobble. Here I am adding the condiments. Chopped cabbage. You can also use purple cabbage, lettuce, spinach. In goes the onions. You can also add cheese to it. Then goes the shrimp. Generous amount of salsa. And my favorite part, the spicy mayo. You can also add sour cream, cream cheese and even guacamole. Our mouth-watering shrimp taco is ready. Enjoy! Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.